Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Once again welcome to my YouTube channel by the name MS Lectures, and today on this platform, after demonstrating you about that how do you can say learn the omega fatty acid synthesis and what are those basic principles to indicate double bonds. Now I would like to tell you about the synthesis of the linoleic acid. So now we will discuss the synthesis of the linoleic acid and how it occurs. So this is the linoleic acid. And we will denote and will it now write its double bond, its composition. So 18 carbon atoms, colon, it contains actually two double bonds and positions are 12 and 15. This is the linoleic acid. So what would happen that after this, if there is now desaturation phase, now desaturation occurs. Suppose if a person is suffering from the commercial disease, so desaturation occurs. So what happens after the desaturation? There will be another addition of the double bond. So how it would be like this now? It would be 18, it would be 3 double bonds, and now how would we name the double bonds? The rule is we have to you can say proceed 2 digits backward, and in this way we will write like this is the 12, proceeding the 2 digit backward 11 and 10, and then the result would be 9. So 9, 12 and 15, and the name of this chain would be alpha linoleic acid. Alpha linolenic acid. So alpha linolenic acid. So after the desaturation phase, the other phase is the another phase is the dehydration. So what happens in the dehydration phase? Again, the addition of another double bond, 18. The number of carbon atoms would remain the same. Addition of one double bond again, and again we will proceed 2 digits backward, and we will start addition of the another double bond. So before 9 what happens? 8, 7 and 6. So 6, 9, 12 and 15 are the locations of the double bond. 6, 9, 12 and 15. So this is the dehydration. And what is the name of this chain? So the name of this chain is the octa deca tetra enoic acid. So this is the octa deca tetra enoic acid after the dehydration phase. Now this is the dehydration, and the next phase is the elongation. This was the number 1, number 2, and this is the number 3, elongation phase. What happens in the elongation phase? So in the elongation phase, the number of carbon atoms increase but not the double bond. So number of carbon atoms will become 20 for double bonds, and if the number of carbon atoms are increasing, so the rule is different for indicating the double bond. So we will you can say move 1 digit forward, and in this way we would start to indicate the double bond. So we will skip 1 digit and we will write the another digit, like 6 skipping 7 we have 8, 9 skipping 10 we have 11, 12 skipping 13 we have 14, 15 skipping 16 we have the 17. So we have 8, 11, 14, 17 are the position of the double bonds. So what is the name of this chain now? The name of this chain is the eicosa tetraenoic acid. Eicosa tetraenoic acid. So eicosa, and we know that eicosa is the term grenade for the 20 number. So eicosa tetraenoic acid. So after the elongation phase, there will be again the phase of the desaturation. Again there will be desaturation phase. In desaturation phase, which is the fourth, again the addition of double bond would occur, but the number of carbon atom would remain the same. So 20, then 5 double bonds, and again we will proceed 2 digits, or we will skip 2 digits backward and write that number. So 8, 7, 6, now we will write 5. Now 11, 10, 9, we will write 8. Then 14, 13, 12, we will write 11. And 17, well, we will skip 2 digits backward. 16, 15, we will write 14. And then 7. So the name of this chain is the eicosapentaenoic acid. The name of this is the eicosapentaenoic acid. Eicosapentaenoic acid. Pentanoic acid. So these were the four phases: desaturation, dehydration, elongation, and desaturation. So I've explained you in this lecture about the synthesis of the linoleic acid, and hope you have understood this mechanism well. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe MS Lectures. Thank you.